Avinash. It's almost 6 months and here are the results.
Happy results.
So you've done side temples and this thing. So your experience?
It is, I mean, I to be honest, I always say to the girls, I don't have words. And it's beautiful. Something which is beyond your expectation. And if that turns true, it's nothing like a dream, you know. So I was really scared about that. How will this happen? And I'm sure I have shared it with you that will this be painful? Will this be successful or not? But yeah, all the regards goes to you. Thank you so much for the efforts that you put in across. And here are the grasses.
He's very kind. Thank you so much.